So of course we're gonna start with our Old Faithful Mega Shine. Okay. So these green ones are the color Meadow, and these are months old. I blew these up months ago for a video, and they're still inflated. So we're gonna test this out. Let me move that to the side. Look at that. Okay. Smells great. I love a good aerosol spray. Excuse me. If you can see the shine comparison from the original color to the Mega Shine side, it really brightened it up a lot. So we're gonna put that on our stand. That test is completed. Okay. Next. Whew. Oh, this is strong, y'all. This is strong. Woo. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area. Okay, don't do what I do. Okay, next we're gonna try this IXR Pro. I will have everything linked, but I believe it's IXR Pro Balloon Shine Spray. It says easy application, and the instructions just say shake well, make sure you're at a distance of 15 to 25 centimeters. I don't know how long that is. Use at a 45-degree angle. And then it says clean nozzle after each use. So I've never seen that, but okay. Okay, so now let's try this on this balloon. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay, so this one came out not as forceful, not as strong, but I feel like it still gives the good amount of shine like Mega Shine. So I do like the improvement from the original to the shine quality. Love the shine quality on that. Okay. And then our last test is going to be, our next one we're going to test is the Wiltex or Wiltex's, I don't know how to say it, Balloon Shine. It says long lasting brightness, quick drying, mild and safe formula. So we will see. I'll be the judge of that. Okay, shake, shake, shake. All of them say shake it up, so that's that. And then I really want to see if it can cover that up because, yeah. Ooh, I don't know. It's gonna give Balloon Shine a run for its money. I do like the shine on that. That is really shiny. Super shiny. Okay, Wiltex or Wiltex, whatever. Get your shine on. Okay. Okay. So that is like, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I really do like that. Right? Like, look at these. So I don't know. So this was the Mega Shine. This was the IXR, and this was the Wiltex. I mean, what do you guys think? I don't know. I think the Wiltex is giving Mega Shine a run for its money right now. Like, look at that shine, guys. Look at that shine. That is crazy. I want to see how these shines hold up on metallic, because sometimes even when you're using metallic balloons, it still can get like this little grayish color to them. Like, you see that? That's kind of weird. So I want to compare these on metallic balloons, even though we did we already did the green. Excuse me. We already did the green color, but I really want to see. I always like to compare them on metallic balloons, because with metallic balloons, it can enhance the metallic even more, and I really want to see how that looks. So of course we're going to start with Mega Shine first. Okay, so if you guys could see that, I can see it. I'll take pictures too. But it really just brought the metallic color back to life. Like, that's how the metallic color looks when I originally blew it up. These are about a couple weeks old. So it really brought the metallic. This is the sprayed side. This is the non-sprayed side for the Mega Shine. So that's why I love Mega Shine. So we're going to see how this holds up, the Mega Shine version on metallic, with these other balloons. So that was Mega Shine. Then what did we do second? Second, for the green, we did IXR. So let's try the IXR. You also want to dust your balloons before you put on Mega Shine, any kind of shine, because that can dictate it as well. So now let's do IXR on the metallic. Okay. So yeah, it did. It brought it back to life. I wouldn't say it brought it back to life as shiny as the Mega Shine. Maybe I'm just biased. I don't know. But it did add more life into that. So I really do think the IXR is a good contender. So we're going to tie this on here so we could see everything side by side. Okay. And then the last one, gotta get that dust off. And the last one is Welteece. Now with the green, Welteece was giving Mega Shine a run for its money. So we gotta see if she's that girl. Let's see, which one should I do? Which one's dull? Okay, we'll do this one. You guys, I don't know, Mega Shine. Welteece is coming for you, girl. Welteece is coming for you, Mega Shine. Mega Shine, what? Get with it. Get with the price point. Oh my gosh. I actually think Welteece does better on the, dare I say, it does better on the metallics. Okay. So now we have these. Look at that. Okay, so we got Mega Shine here. We got the IXR in the middle, and then we have Welteece. Look at this shine, guys. Like, look at this. Look at this. And look at the side-by-side comparison to their original. Like, you can, like, with the metallics, you can really, really tell that you have Mega Shine on them, because look at that. It just, like, All of them, I think, breathe life into the metallic color, like for sure. I would say any of these are good on a metallic balloon. If you want to refresh, if you want to bring life, breathe life back into these balloons, for sure. I do these so you guys can see what products are out there, what products are great, what products not to waste your money on, because we have had those. Not everything has been a success. Yeah, so I don't know, like, let me know if you guys have any other Shine brands. I do highly recommend, like, this. If you just need this for a party or you're having a couple parties come up, just go have these with your friend, you and your friend. Like, you will spend $10 each and you'll be fine. So let me know what you guys think of this video. Of course, if you want more tips, subscribe, like, and I want to see you guys in the comments. Give me some suggestions. Peace.